What's going on, guys? Right here we have a Top Race Mini RC plane, and we're going to be taking this guy out for a flight test. Now, I know what you're thinking. If you are a loyal subscriber, you're probably thinking, well, I just did a video on this guy, so what are we going to do now? Basically, in the review, I just talked about, I gave it an overview, and I talked about the different things that this guy can do. Now, for this entire video, we're just going to be talking about this guy, and we're really just going to be flying this guy and focusing on the actual in-flight features. Alright, anyways, I'm super excited to get into this, so let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, now we are starting to fly the plane. I really have a lot of fun flying this guy, so I highly recommend that you pick it up, as I did recommend it in the review. So I prefer to fly this guy in intermediate mode. It gives me a little bit more control, but it still keeps that stabilization, so I really have a blast when flying this guy. And to be honest, I mean, it's not, great in the wind, but, for its size and being made out of foam, it holds up pretty well. I mean, it does get pushed around a little bit, but it stays fairly strong. It did impress me for, how small it is. It did hold up a little bit. So that's my take on that. Also, so after I wrap up this flight, you're going to see the drone footage that I took. I filmed myself flying this with the drone, so we're going to show you that in a couple seconds. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video on this mini RC plane. I really have a lot of fun flying planes like this, so go ahead, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos like these about planes and stuff. Also, 500 subscriber giveaway, go ahead and subscribe, because I will be doing that once I obviously hit 500 subscribers, because I said it's a 500 subscriber giveaway. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!